Okay, so this is how you remove icons from your desktop like these two. And I'm going to also show you how to put them back on afterwards in case you want to do that as well. But to start off with, if you have an app like Minecraft or TikTok or whatever it may be, all you have to do is right click it and you can just trash can it, delete it. It seems scary because it shows that message, but if you go here and you look at your apps, it's still there. You can still find it. If you type in Minecraft, it's still there. It just deletes it from the desktop. So don't get scared. As long as you're not doing uninstall, it's not going to delete. Now, as for these are a little bit more tricky. You're going to have to go to here. You're going to click on settings, personalization. Then you're going to go to themes. And then you're going to scroll down to desktop icon settings. Click on that. And whichever one's showing, if it's one of these, you'll uncheck it. But for recyclable bin, you click uncheck and then you go to apply, and now it is gone. And if I want to add it back, I just click it there and apply, and it'll go right back. Now, as for the apps, if you want an app to go back to the desktop, you go to all apps right here, and whichever one you want, you go ahead, like say this game right here, I drag it and it adds a shortcut right there, and then I can just delete it if I want to get rid of it. But yeah, other than that, that's how you remove and add icons to your desktop.